How to pick a lock. You get your regular lock pick, you tie it to an old electric toothbrush. You have your tension wrench and your lock. Won't open. Turn your toothbrush on. It vibrates. And then you pick. That's how you pick a lock. Okay, my other lockpick broke, so I made a whole new set. Regular lock, master lock, won't open without the key. Well, I found this on the street. I don't have the key. So what I'm going to use is this homemade lockpicks. These are made out of hacksaw blades. And the thing that it's taped to is a vibrating toothbrush. And that makes the hacksaws vibrate. I made these picks off of a bench grinder, and this Allen wrench I grinded down into a tension wrench. You take your tension wrench, and this is the first thing I've had trouble with when I was lockpicking. All the other videos, they just stuck in the tension wrench. They didn't tell me how to do it. You put it on the side, not down here like most people think. On the side. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. And then you apply little tension. That's what I always screw up on, is I apply too much tension. You turn on your electric toothbrush, and then I use my smallest side first. Then once I get most of the pins up, I switch back to my bigger side because it's easier. With my first one, that you see in my first video, I got it much faster than I'm getting it now. Speaking of getting it, but in my first one you can see I can do it much faster. It's because I just built these picks and I'm not used to them yet. But that's how you pick another lock.